Now this car for 61,990 just looks fantastic value for money. I personally sold this car when it had 300 miles on. Now it's done 21,000 miles. And at 61,990, it just looks great. It's the D300 Dynamic SE in a fantastic colour called Firenze Red. You've then got the black styling package. It's the new model Range Rover Sport, so it has a lovely, smoothed off, minimalistic look on the exterior, and the same continues on the interior. But it has the 3-litre diesel, 300 brake horsepower, LED fancy headlights with LED DRLs, more black styling in the front bumper, 360 camera system, air suspension, front rear parking sensors. But then you've got your first extra, which is the 22-inch SV Bespoke wheels, matte black and gloss black. And just behind you have the red brake calipers. You've then got the contrasting black roof, and this car comes with the tilt and sliding panoramic roof, which is not standard, just so you know. The Firenze Red is a fantastic colour, I've said that once already, but when you combine that with this lovely, have a look at this, it's got a light cloud interior with a little bit of ebony as well, and that looks really, really good. Fully fitted mats, front and rear heated seat, front heated seat, and then you've got the ebony roof lining as well. The condition of this car is absolutely awesome. It's been so well looked after all the way around. Full service history, the black styling continues around the back. You've got massive boot space with automatic tailgate, and you have the black rear diffuser as well. As you go on this side, you'll see again from this side that the seats, the back of the seats, the door cards, the footwell area, everything is in the condition you'd expect it to be. Other specifications include adaptive cruise control, heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, lots of this dark chrome bezel. I just think at 61,990, somebody's going to watch this video and think, you know what? I was looking at a car like this only a couple of years ago, but it was £89,000 because they were. And now to get one at this price that looks and feels and drives as good as this car will, that is good value. 2 keys, wireless charging pad, your 360 camera system on this big screen in high definition, automatic gearbox, paddle shift, all the electric adjustments for the steering column, and then you have the Meridian Sound system. Like I said, 21,000 miles on a 2023, 23 registration. If you like what you see, give me a call, drop me a text or a WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.